When you stay away from family, you're always trying to find ways to talk to them and connect to them, and this is dedicated to my family. I made this really cute wall in my living room, and that has all my family members. Like, literally, I could cover so many people. And I also made a few paintings, and I kept my ukulele as well so that I can always pick it up. It is detachable, so let me show you. So I can simply remove it and I can sit here and pretty much enjoy this view and play my ukulele. So let's get started on how I made this. This is literally for $1 each, and this is also almost for $1 from IKEA. This and this, and this and that one is from Amazon, and these two are also from IKEA. So basically, IKEA, Dollar Tree, Amazon is what helped me make this. And of course, my ukulele, which I had just detached, I can simply stick it with this Velcro. Super simple, right? And that I picked up from New York. First, I just collected all the frames that were there in my house, and I had to figure out the entire setup on the wall. So what I did is I just removed all the white paper that was there inside the frame and stuck it with tape again. And for those that I didn't have, the inside part, I just took a white paper or any paper and just drew the shape of that frame and simply took a sellotape, made it into a double-sided tape and stuck it on the wall to understand the placement. I played around quite a bit with the setup, and finally I was happy with the look. And then obviously I went to the next step, which is finding the photos. So I was literally sitting in front of this frame with my laptop and all the photos, and I was just imagining where each photo should go, and I pretty much printed them out in the dimensions that was needed. Also, I used Photoshop to align everything, but you can also use Canva or even Word. Now that I have all my photos ready, moving on to the next step is obviously cutting them. By then, it became quite late, and I don't like these lightings, but I'm happy that I got a good shot. And this was fun. We put a movie on and we were just watching, and I was doing this activity on the side. And then I put all the photos in its frame, and then I had to basically assemble everything on the wall. I used this orange leveler that you can see to make sure that it's all straight and not tilted. And that's it. It is ready and it looks so beautiful, especially with my window and everything. I love it. And this is the view from my kitchen as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. I miss my family so much and I hope to see everyone soon. Here's a sneak peek of how I organize my kitchen. This is my spice collection. If you want a kitchen tour and some fun kitchen organization hacks, then do let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'm going to see you all soon. Keep celebrating!